Hey guys, this is Megan, and we are at day 2 at the AHRA conference. I'm here with my great friends from Beekley Medical. This is my friend Mary. Mary, introduce yourself to our audience. I don't think we've done a live with you quite yet. This is our first one.
All right, so I'm Mary Pelton, and I am the Director of Marketing Communications for Beekley Medical. And what I do is oversee all of our outbound communications, our print collateral, our websites, our social media, you name it. I'm in touch with it.
You do it all there, Mary. So today you're going to see this product, they're Bella blankets. So we're going to talk about their protective coverlets and how they help technologists in the mammography field.
So, Bella blankets were originally developed to help technologists with positioning. I'm going to have you touch this, Megan. So you could see it's like a very soft, smooth type of a texture, but it has a little bit of like flannel grabbies in a way. So when a patient is being positioned, the technologist can easily move their hands underneath the breast. But then when they remove their hands, the breast will stay in position. One of the other benefits is because it is thin by design, it allows the patient to get very close to the receptor plate. So the technologist is able to get closer back to the chest wall.
So I want to know why is this so important for our audience to know about?
Well, the first one is obviously cancer detection. Right. You know, most of the cancers take place in the back of the chest, closer to the chest wall. So you want to get as much tissue as possible. If you're not capturing all the tissue, you may be missing some cancers. The other thing is really for their MQSAs. You know, they have to have certain positioning requirements. Open IMF is one of them. Being able to have a good nipple to pectoral line in place. So it's very important for technologists in that regards.
So tell us a little bit about what is the most surprising thing about the Bella blankets.
Right. So we knew this was going to increase comfort for patients in addition to helping technologists. But one of the things that we found out that was really surprising for us is that it actually protects against skin tears. We've gotten so much feedback from patients when we discovered this about there's more skin tears taking part in the industry than people give that credit for. And it's interesting, like if you do have like friable skin or you're very prone to it, and some patients too, like when you're under compression, they step back instead of up and back, and that's where they're more liable to getting a skin tear. So when we got that information, that really became our, because you don't want to injure a patient, obviously. It's about safety and it's about giving the best possible patient care.
Yeah. Well, that's interesting information. I didn't know anything about that. I feel like I'm always learning something new when I'm here. We were just talking how last year I was here and I was taste testing their Breeze Up product over here, and now we're talking about the Bella blankets. So thank you, Mary, for telling us a little bit more about this product. Guys, make sure you come by their booth today from 11 to 2. It's going to be booth number 732, Beekley Medical. And then make sure to stop by right next door at our ice booth and get your drinks on ice wristband and come party with us tonight from 6:30 to 7:30. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Bye.